Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to your daily market update. Today is September 15th, 2024, and I'm here to break down the biggest trends happening right now in the stock market and Forex world. There's been a lot of movement in the markets, so let's dive right in. The US stock market has been all over the place this week. Today, we saw some major moves in tech and energy stocks. Starting with the tech sector, Apple, Microsoft, and Google all experienced slight dips. This comes after a week of positive momentum, largely driven by speculation around their new product announcements and AI developments. On the flip side, energy stocks have surged, with companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron riding the wave of higher oil prices. Brent crude crossed the 95 mark for the first time since last summer, thanks to OPEC's continued production cuts. So, what does all of this mean? It's clear the market is reacting to a mix of optimism around tech and concerns over rising energy costs. Investors are weighing whether these price hikes will squeeze consumers and potentially slow down economic growth. Now, let us talk about the Forex market, where the US dollar continues to show strength. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of major currencies, has risen to its highest level in 6 months. Against the euro, the dollar is pushing near 1.05, as the European Central Bank faces pressure to curb inflation while growth in the region remains sluggish. Meanwhile, the British pound has taken a hit, falling to around 1.22. The uncertainty around the UK economy post-Brexit and rising inflation is making traders wary of holding the pound. And looking at Asia, the yen continues to weaken, sitting just above 150 to the dollar. Japan's central bank has shown no signs of ending its ultra-loose monetary policy, which is keeping the yen under pressure. So, what does this mean for you, the investor or trader? Well, if you're looking to capitalize on dollar strength, this could be a great time to consider your Forex options. But keep in mind, the market can turn on a dime, especially with key inflation reports coming up later this week. Now, looking ahead, the Federal Reserve's next meeting is just around the corner. The big question: will they raise rates again with inflation still above target? Some analysts believe a hike could be on the table, while others are betting the Fed will hold steady to avoid putting too much pressure on the economy. Additionally, keep an eye on tech earnings reports. Companies like Tesla and Netflix are set to release their quarterly numbers soon, and any surprises there could shake up the market in the coming days. So, to sum it all up, tech stocks are cooling off after a big run. Energy stocks are surging on higher oil prices. The dollar is dominating in Forex, especially against the euro and yen. If you're in the markets, keep a close watch on central bank meetings and corporate earnings. There's a lot of uncertainty ahead, but also a lot of opportunities if you're ready to jump on them. That's all for today's market update. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. And as always, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're watching in the markets. Until next time, happy trading!